Welcome back, YouTube. I'm Carmine, and you're watching Philly meets East Tennessee. Now, of course, I'm still down in Florida. Now, I want to go ahead and switch this camera around. I'm going to show you what I did with this wheelbarrow here. It's been raining a lot. No complaints. Grass is green. Lawn over here. This thing was majorly cracked. Having a shed. I can't get this wheelbarrow in here. So this whole thing was split, and you can probably see the screws. So I have the metal on the other side, and these screws are strategically placed, so to speak. I must have threw a cinder block in there or something at one point, and it just split this whole thing. And you can see the crack. I mean, it goes from all the way over there and then up to here, and also that was a pretty big crack. I just want to show you what I'm talking about here on how you would do this. Now, again, this is pretty strong. You can bend it. It does take a little bit of force, though, to bend it. And you can see that I have this bent around here. I kind of molded it. Now I still need to take this off in order to get in here a little tighter with a couple of these, but I don't think I'm going to use this fourth one. I have 3 on here. I could actually put a 4th one and overlap here, but I don't think I'm going to need it at this point. But I wanted to show you, just take your drill and just get a bit that's smaller than these holes here, okay? This way you can find them when you flip it over, because you're just going to basically secure it with screws on the other side. I didn't want to sandwich it with the metal like this. Find the hole that you want to go in. Done. And again, the screws that you're going to be using are larger than these holes here, so that it actually grabs and it holds on really tight. And I may or may not cut these screws down, I'm not sure. They don't really get in the way, and they're not going to hit the wheel. Let's put one here. Have one here, have one here. And I'll flip it over, I'll show you. I'll take a look. You can see the holes. So it's easy to find. And you'll be able to go right through into the metal. It will grab onto the metal super tight. And again, you can almost get these to their just about flush, which is great. Drill the hole here. And you don't want to have to crank it down too tight. I just uncovered Frog Haven. And there's one right there you can see. Where's it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so there it is. See that one? And that one really kind of blends in, huh? If you can see, I extended all this here. This is the same material, it's just a different color. Here's my 6x12 trailer, but I'm going to be picking up some more dirt. I made the mistake of leaving a tarp on here with some dirt, and then kind of rotted the wood from being wet underneath. Well, there goes Sam. And then we have Bella over here. And those squirrels are fighting. Soaking in the sun. There she is.
Let me show you what I'm doing here.
They're not very big, actually.
You know, finger.
And what I'm doing is I'm putting them up here, if you can see. I put one right there. Yeah. And over there. That should hold better than the staples. Oh gosh, look at all these squirrels. Let's see, look at them all. See? They're all over the place. Look at them all running around. I mean, they're all over. Man, oh man. They're just jumping from tree to tree. There goes one. Yeah, there's definitely a nest up there. There's gotta be. There goes another one too. That's number 3 running across. Mama must be calling him up into the nest. Whoa, did you see that one? Holy, that jumped right to the pole. It's coming down off the pole now. It's gonna jump over. Boom. Okay. In any case, I'm gonna go ahead and put these nails in. A couple more spots here. Probably didn't see that. The squirrels were right there. These are Florida squirrels. They're crazy squirrels. All right. That's enough for right now.